Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, we are going to see the highlights of one of the latest recruitment notification from the State Bank of India. So this is for the recruitment of junior associates, customer support and sales. This is in the clerical cadre in the State Bank of India. The total number of vacancies is around 5,300. But please remember, the candidates can apply for vacancies in one state only. The state-wise vacancies I'll show at the end of the video. Pay scale, the starting basic pay is 19,900. So in a city like Mumbai, the total gross pay would be 30,000 per month, including all like DA, HRA and all that. It will be like around 30,000 per month. Important dates. The online registration of application has already started from 27th of April 2021 and the last date is 17th May 2021. The last date to apply is 17th May 2021 and the tentative date of tentative month of examination of preliminary examination is June 2021 and the hall tickets will be there is an admit card will be available for the preliminary examination in the first week of June 2021 and the date of main examination is tentatively given as 31 July 2021 and the admit card should be available from 19th of July. Now all this is tentative given the present situation. Eligibility criteria should be a citizen of India. Age limit minimum 20 years, maximum 28 years. That is should not have been born earlier than 2nd of April 1991 and not later than 1st of April 2001. Age limit, there is a relaxation of upper age limit category wise. Okay. So for example, the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidates 5 years upper age limit relaxation, OBC 3 years and so on. You can pause the video to look at the details. And very important, essential academic qualification as on 16th of August 2021, a graduate in any discipline. So the candidates who are in the final year of study or final year of graduation, they can also apply because the date is as on 16th of August 2021. So the final year students can, the candidates who are the final year can also apply. Now to the process, selection process. Phase 1, there is a preliminary examination, computer based online examination. All the questions will be objective type questions, multiple choice questions, and there is a negative mark of 1/4 for every wrong answer. There is a negative mark of 1/4. So totally like 100 questions and 100 marks, total 1 hour duration. And English language, the questions of course will be in only in English language, but the numerical ability and reasoning ability will be available in both English as well as Hindi, right? And the videos related to numerical ability and reasoning ability is available in our channel Learning About. The link to those videos are given in the description below. You can make use of it. Now, the preliminary examination is conducted only for qualifying as a qualifier for the main examination, right? So the final merit list is only based on the score in the main examination. The final merit list is only based on the score in the main examination. So main examination, you can as you can see, there are 4 sections: general financial awareness, general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability and computer aptitude. Now all these sections are like multiple choice questions, and here also there is a negative mark of 1/4 for every wrong answer. So selection procedure, as I said, preliminary examination is a qualifier for the main examination. So of the total vacancies, approximately 10 times that number would be called for the main examination. So if suppose for example, let's say 5,000 vacancies, 10 times that number, 50,000 candidates approximately, that is category wise, state wise, 10 times that number would be called for the main examination. And the candidate who qualify the main examination would be called for the certificate verification, right? Now, as I said, you can apply for only one state, and you should be proficient in the local language there. So there is a test of knowledge of specified opted local language. Now let's say you have learned that language in your 10th or 12th, and you have certificate evidence for that, that you have like for example, let's say you're applying for Tamil Nadu. You should have studied, like Tamil in 10th or 12th, and that should be there in the certificate, in which case you don't have to appear for this test. Okay, otherwise, if suppose that particular local language you have not studied during your school days, it is not there in the certificate, then you have to apply, you have to appear for this test. So main exam, and please, so finally please remember, only the main examination score would be considered for the final recruitment, and there is no interview, right? But if you don't have, I mean, if you don't qualify the test of local language, or if you don't, I mean, if you don't have the certificate that you have studied local language in 10th or 12th, and also if you don't qualify the test of local language, then you will not be considered for the recruitment. So that's a very important thing that you have to remember. So this is selection procedure. Also, please remember, uh, in this recruitment, they create a wait list up to like 50% of the total vacancies. Okay, so in case candidates, some candidates do not join, or after joining they resign. Okay, so this wait list is valid for about 1 year. Okay, so in case candidates do not join, or in case some candidates join and then they leave after a few months, so those vacancies will be filled using this wait list of 50 percentage. So this is another important point that you can remember, that is, in case that you are very closely missing that, you're not, your score is very closer to the main list, but you have not reached the main list. So if you are in the top of the wait list, so there's a high chance that you may get the job within, let's say, like another 6 months or 1 year. There's a possibility of getting that job. So application fee 750 for the candidates belonging to general, OBC and EWS category, and there is no application fee for the candidates belonging to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and persons with disability and ex-servicemen. So how to apply? You can use the link. The link to the application is there, given in the description below. You can click on that and you can apply. So photograph and signature, you should have the soft copy, the regular usual dimensions. Now, apart from the photograph and signature, you should have the scanned copy of your left thumb impression. Also, a handwritten declaration in English only, in white paper with black ink. Okay. Now, the sample of that declaration is available in the notification, which is available in our Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is there in the description below. You can make use of it. Now, apart from the call letter, you should also produce a government provided photo identity card. And apart from this, you should also have 2 photographs at any moment. Okay, whether for the preliminary examination or for the main examination, as well as in the final document verification. So apart from all the other documents, you should have the call letter, 2 photographs, and a government issued ID card, photo ID card. So this is the vacancy state wise. You can pause the video to look at the details. This is the second part, and this is the third part. So the usual reservation norms of like IBPS, SBA recruitment is followed. So there is a reservation for the candidates belonging to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, EWS, persons with disabilities, ex-servicemen, and disabled ex-servicemen, are dependent of ex-servicemen uh, who are lost their life in the battle. So for all these categories, reservation is available, and the category wise breakup is given. Just now I showed that. You can look at that for details. So I hope the information provided in this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, please post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer your queries. For more videos on job alerts, aptitude, reasoning, and general awareness, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Learning About. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.